So put your gun on your left side. You have to be, the point of a stack is being tight like glue to each other's backs. Now in this case the wall is on our right, so you got to put your gun on your left side. So test, stand here, take my spot. Perfect. I'll stand right here. This is the second guy's spot. And Jurgen, just do the same as me, but right behind me. And press Control A with your gun on the left side. And get as close as you can, yeah. Yep, and just get close, Jurgen. Closer if you can. Your gun's got to be on my left side shoulder. Perfect, just like that. So the point of this is to use each other's bodies, plates, front and back plates, for cover. It'll stop around. And then we can all shoot whatever at our front. Now if we got a fire team behind us, a friendly fire team behind us, they don't need to cover this direction because our fire team is covering it. So what they would do is they'll cover out 180 degrees. So, now, test. Come out from the wall about half a meter. No, away from the wall, not forward. Come back. That's not a meter. That's like 3. Remember the distance. A stack, you run along the wall, 1 meter away from the wall, like about this distance. Always just go straight, never go side to side. Perfect. Now, the reason why you're out from the wall 1 meter is if we have a friendly fire team behind us, and we're in a situation where it's possible where you're going around the building, a friendly fire team has to get past you and the wall, between you and the wall, your fire team and the wall, not past your crossfire. Alright, now test, push up to the corner, up ahead. We're pretending it's a corner of a building. Stop once you get at it. Stop. Now there's a corner. And once you get, once you stop and once you separate and you stop, you come to a stop, you form up again. Perfect. Now there's a corner, so now we have to clear the corner. Test, crouch right around the corner, and cover right around the corner. Perfect. The second guy, if there's nothing over there, if it's just open and maybe some cover there, the second guy stands here, right here, and the point of this is being tied together, always tight. The second guy stands here, using the wall here for cover from whatever Test is looking at, and he covers slightly left, and he can shoot over Test's head. Jurgen, take my spot. Take my previous spot, Jurgen. Perfect. The third guy stands, always stand, Jurgen. You gotta shoot over his head. Get closer, tight like glue. Close, perfect, there you go. And then I'll use your body for cover, Jurgen, and I'll cover the flank at 6 o'clock. If it's a fire team of 4, the third guy covers the flank, and the fourth guy is behind the third guy covering the 6 o'clock. And we should have a friendly fire team right back here. So then they'll push up to our fire team, and then they'll cross one by one to the position of cover right over there, right past here. And then when the first guy crosses, when the first guy on the second fire team that crosses, he gets here, he's going to stand right here, he's going to cover 12 o'clock, the direction they're moving. When the second guy crosses, and then he's going to stack on the wall and be the first guy to crouch and cover the wall. Whoops. The third guy that crosses stands up behind him like that, covering right, and then you got another fire team that's able to cross, and so on repeats. So you guys remember this. We need a fire team 2 and 3 lead. Now we're going to get going.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Pad 2, let's go. Alright, so fire team 2 lead. Max, that's right. Team 3, who wants to lead on team 3?
Who you call, squad leader?
Skippy. Alright, Skippy, you're gonna do it. Alright, so fire team leaders. Always, if your team separates further than 5 meters or 10 meters, shout at them. You gotta have your team grouped together. You gotta keep track of your men. And when you're in an urban environment and you're stacking up against walls, you have to be tight like glue. Stack them together, tight like glue.
Copy that.
You know, The AO is pretty much done. Let's see if there's a side mission. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, alright. Let's go to the side mission then.
It's a place at the right gunner. What the fuck?
Hello, Mr. Pilot. We are going to be going to the side mission. Let us just mark.
Let's go.